Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. A 20-minute intermediate power yoga routine can provide you with a challenging and effective workout to build strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Here's a sample sequence you can follow. Remember to warm up before starting and cool down at the end. Main sequence, 15 minutes. 1. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha, Svanasana, 1 minute. Start in a plank position. Then push your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Press through your palms and lengthen your spine. 2. Plank Chaturanga, 1 minute. Transition from downward dog to plank position. Lower down into a push-up position. Chaturanga Dandasana, while keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up to plank and then return to downward dog. 3. Warrior II, Virabhadrasana, i.e. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, keeping your left foot at a 45-degree angle. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, one over your front leg and one over your back leg. Sink deeper into the lunge, keeping your front knee directly above your ankle. Repeat on the other side. 4. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. From Warrior II, straighten your front leg and reach your right hand down to your shin, ankle, or the floor. Extend your left arm up toward the ceiling. Keep your chest open and gaze up at your left hand. Repeat on the other side. 5. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Stand with your feet together and bend your knees as if you're sitting back in a chair. Keep your chest lifted and engage your core. Extend your arms overhead. 6. High lunge with twist, 2 minutes. Step your right foot back into a high lunge position. Twist your torso to the left and bring your right elbow outside your left knee. Keep your back leg strong and straight. Repeat on the other side. 7. Bridge pose, Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, 1.5 minutes. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip, width apart. Lift your hips off the ground while pressing your arms and shoulders into the mat. Squeeze your glutes and engage your core. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.